AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It refers to the field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI involves developing computer systems or programs that can analyze data, learn from it, reason, and make decisions or take actions based on that analysis. AI techniques include machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. These techniques enable AI systems to process and interpret vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on the data. On the other hand, general AI, also known as strong AI or artificial general intelligence, refers to AI systems that possess human-level intelligence and can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across various domains. General AI aims to exhibit the same level of cognitive abilities as humans and has the potential to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. There are different types of AI, including narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform specific tasks or solve specific problems within a limited domain. It is the most common form of AI that we encounter in our daily lives, such as virtual assistants, recommendation systems, and image recognition software. AI has numerous applications across various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, education, and entertainment. It has the potential to revolutionize how we live and work by automating tasks, enhancing decision-making, improving efficiency, and unlocking new possibilities in fields that were previously inaccessible. However, it also raises ethical considerations and challenges related to privacy, bias, and the impact on jobs and society.